Former Deutsche Bank co-CEO Anshu Jain dies. Anshu Jain, a pinnacle finance government great known for supporting German lender Deutsche Bank AG (NYSE) DB take on the most important Wall Street companies, died in a single day on Saturday after a 5-year war with cancer, his family mentioned. He turned into 59. Jain, who became born in India, spent too many years constructing Deutsche Bank (ETR) DBKGN into one of the international's pinnacle popular banks. He was the first non-European to lead the German group. In the aftermath of the financial crisis of 2008 and the European debt disaster that followed, Jain pushed Deutsche to remain Europe's closing man status as U.S. firms pulled beforehand in international banking. The years of enlargement into unstable investment banking agencies came lower back to haunt the financial institution, as law made complicated trades more luxurious. As co-chief executive, he struggled to cut back the risk and to get a grip on an extended listing of scandals that led to billions of dollars in fines. He resigned from the German lender in 2015, and had been the president of U.S. economic services company Cantor Fitzgerald considering that 2017. He will be remembered for his leadership in financial services and his deep dedication to conservation, stated Larry Fink, chief government of BlackRock Inc. (NYSE) Block, who said he knew Jain nicely. Born within the Indian town of Jaipur, Jain earned his bachelor's on the University of Delhi earlier than finishing an MBA on the University of Massachusetts in Amherst. A lifelong vegetarian, he cherished wildlife images, safaris in Kenya's Masai Mara and desert conservation, his own family stated. He joined Deutsche in 1995 to launch a division specializing in hedge budget and derivatives. He then headed bond trading and emerging markets, and later, as head of the investment bank, he outearned his boss, then CEO Joseph Ackerman. He changed into appointed to Deutsche's control board in 2009 and was chargeable for the company and funding bank department from 2010. From 2012 to 2015, he changed into co-CEO. Anyone who worked with Anshu experienced a passionate chief of highbrow brilliance, mentioned present CEO, Christian Soing. Jain became identified in January 2017 with duodenal most cancers, which impacts the small intestine, but managed to survive his preliminary diagnosis through 4 years, the own family stated. To his final day, Anshu stood by way of his lifelong willpower to now not be a statistic, the family said.